PG-FP6 Quick Start Guide Video. How to use PG-FP6 Gang Programmer. This video first introduces the PG-FP6 Gang Programmer. Next explain how to prepare software and hardware setup. And finally, shows how to use it with a demonstration. The PG-FP6 is a standalone Flash programmer suitable for mass production programming. We offer two types of software to control programming by the PG-FP6, the standard FP6 terminal that handles a single PG-FP6 unit and PG-FP6 Gang Programmer that handles multiple PG-FP6 units. You can use the PG-FP6 Gang Programmer on your PC to control up to 12 PG-FP6 units and program multiple devices simultaneously. The setting and program files are identical to those for the FP6 terminal. It is easy to check the status of each PG-FP6, the display of execution results, and the number of executions. The PG-FP6 Gang Programmer is included in the FP6 terminal software package. You can find the PG-FP6 homepage by searching the Renesas Electronics website. We recommend using the latest version of the FP6 terminal. Accept the agreement and click the button to start the download. Open the compressed file and double-click on the executable to launch the installer. This video demonstrates Gang programming by using 3 EKRA6M5 boards. The setting file containing the programming information of the device must be created by FP6 terminal beforehand. The 20-pin target cable is an optional item that is sold separately. Now that the software is set up and hardware connections are complete, launch the PG-FP6 Gang Programmer. First, select the number of PG-FP6 units to be connected. Click the Connect button to confirm the connection. After connecting, you can perform a self-test and a firmware update on all the PG-FP6 units at the same time. Next, specify the setting file and program file you previously created in the FP6 terminal and download them to the PG-FP6. When the setup is complete, the main window is displayed. You can set the operation restriction based on the operator's work in the Options menu. You can also set the log file of the work results here. Then, click the View menu to display the log information executed by all connected PG-FP6 units in real time in a separate window. In the Command menu, you can execute commands according to the setting file downloaded to the PG-FP6. Now let's see the actual demonstration of erase, program, and verify. You can get more information from renesas.com/pg-fp6.